A girl of 14 years old committed suicide by jumping in front of the running train. Reason behind is the failure in school exam. Name of the deceased is Swatika Dewan. Incident occurred at Manu Bazar area of Manughat on Wednesday. According to the details, the girl, Swastika Dewan, is 14 years old, daughter of Sanjit Dewan, and she was studying in 8th grade at Shailengta English Medium School. She was the resident of Lomabil Para area of Manu. On Wednesday, she was coming back from school and this accident happened on the way home from school. She died unexpectedly on the rail bridge train in Manughat, Longtrai Village subdivision. However, according to the statement of the family, it is known that after the publication of the results of the 8th class examination, she chose to commit suicide because of the shame of failing.
On school ke school ke aite on pari doxini mai koi tari main ব্যাপার তো
আপনার যে মারা গেছে মেয়েটা আপনার কি হয় বাতিজি না নাম কি স্বস্তিকা দেওয়ান বাড়ি লম্বাবিল পাড়া কোন স্কুলে কর্মরত ছিল কোন স্কুলে পড়তো ইংলিশ মিডিয়ামে না বয়স
15 বছর
15 না
14
মাইনে তো তাহলে 15 বছর
ওই এমনই
15 না বয়স কতই গো
Later, fire service department arrived at the scene and took the corpse of the girl to the nearby hospital for the post-mortem. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.